Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and you're looking for something super unique and cute for your dining room or kitchen area. These beautiful letters that make up this very unique array are from DREBIN Design, and they were so easy to work with, and they just add something super unique to the kitchen area. Using the booklet that it came with, all you have to do is figure out ahead of time how you want to arrange your letters. These are the words that it came with, which provides a really cute environment for the kitchen. After measuring my space and making sure that it was centered how I wanted, it was easy to start putting up these wooden letters. Now, they do not come with the adhesive or any kind of hooks. You have to decide what you want to use on your walls. So I use some double-sided dots that I purchased separately. But once you put them up, they look super cute. You can see that it was really fun to create the design, and they lay really flat on the wall, not taking up too much room. The letters are nice and light, and they have stayed on the wall with no problem, looking very, very cute. So we're going to add something that is really warm and friendly and fun for when your company comes over, but it also just adds an everyday unique flair to the kitchen area. These were so easy to work with, and they are just such a nice touch to the kitchen, and that's my point of view.